Hello, I'm Akib Hassan, and in this video I'm going to make the graph between two set of values using MS Excel. So I have here two columns. One is having the values for x-axis and other having the value for y-axis, and we have to graphically represent the relation between x and y. You can make this graph x and y for your educational reports or assignments, or for your professional reports, where you have to graphically represent the relation between two set of values. Here at the first column, always show the x value, so you have to write the x value in the first column and select the second column for the y values. And you can also write this data in rows as well. The first row will show the x and the second row will show the y value. So the first step is to select the data points. So I am selecting the data point. Select both x and y data points, and after selecting this from this menu tab, we have to select insert. From this insert, this section is for chart, and there are different kind of charts that you can make, but as we are going to draw the scattered line chart, so this is the this column. This button is for the contain the scattered xy lines. So from this you can make any graph. This is the line graph, or this is the scattered smooth line graph. So scattered with a straight line and marker graph. So there are lots of graphs that you can make. So let's select any of them you want to make. So here you have this scattered line graph representing the relation between x and y. You can see y values and x values. You can actually add some feature, disable or enable some feature using this command, this button, this chart element. Just here you can change some setting. This is the axis. The axis points or values that are shown here can be enabled or disabled by checking or unchecking this button. If you uncheck, this values disappear, and now it can appear again. And you can also add title for the axis. Let's suppose the x-axis shows the distance and y-axis shows the velocity, so then you can write here. And this is the data label. Add 2.4. The y values are represent, each point represents values, but that we are disabling now. So now to edit the chart title and axis title, just select this box and select whole text, and now you can rename it. Just write, you have to write, I am writing x versus y, but you can name any title for the graph that actually represents your graph, and similarly select and just rename. I'm here writing the x values, but for you can write any title that is suitable for your graph. And now for the y, double click, select, and press Ctrl A to select all the text, and then rename by just tapping the. So this graph has been made. Now we can actually edit this graph, the background from this design. Just select this graph, and from this chart design, you have a lot of themes that you can select for a graph, and select and say which one you like. You can see this theme, the background has been changed. I'm using this because in this the background is similar like the graph paper. So this is the perfect graph that we have made. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.